Hi guys, my name is IreneZab and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate for that, and may the Lord bless you. So today I'm here with my friend. Ebu say hello. So guys, today we are coming live from the farm, and we want to do something here. So I would like to take you through this amazing place so that you can see some of the activities that we do here in the village. So please come with me. So guys, we have some of the chickens here, and we have already put some food for them, so they are enjoying their meal. And on the other side we have the chicks. You hear the sound? Yeah, so they already have food. Yeah. This is their house. You see the way it looks dirty? We are going to clean it. Yeah, we are going to do some cleaning right now. You see, it's so dirty. See that? So I'm going to take you inside. So guys, these are the containers. You can see it. These are the containers that we used to, some of the containers that we used to feed the chickens here. As you can see, we have some food here. Yeah, you see. So let us go inside and do some cleaning. This is how we close here. You see guys? Where? Sasa? Where? So you see, we had already put food in the morning. You see, they're just enjoying. So the place looks so dirty. You see around the area. Yeah, we want to Mufagia. Want to sweep. I want to clean the place. So let us start. Yes, first we want to sweep here because the place looks so dirty. Where? Oh no. The project of chicken, it's a good project. Now going to December here in Kenya. You see now, like this goes for like 1,000 bob. Yeah, 1,000 bob, right? Yeah, so in December, usually in December or during Christmas, the price always goes higher because of the demand, right? There's a lot of demand during December. Yeah. Making a lot lot of noise that I don't know why. Hey, what's up? Right. You see this? In mbolea, you can put it the shamba. Yeah, so we're going to collect it and we're going to use it in the shamba. You know, guys, chicken are like the source of income here, the village. Yeah, because many people they do sell and they do exchange or sell and get money for school fees. Yeah, so we're going to put water here. Waja. Yo. Wana huyu anaweka hadi kwa. Move there. Hello? Hey. Yes. It's a good project. It's a good project. And then we're going to add some more food. I want to give them some maize like that. Why? You see now they are enjoying. Yeah. Where? Unakaa aje? Why? So guys, that is what we do here in the village, and it's a good project. If you need to start any project, I recommend this because I have seen some of the fruits. Yeah, so it's a good project, especially now that we are heading to December. Yeah, it's a good project. So yeah, so that was the video for today, and mkimaliza hapa mnakula hapa, mkimaliza mnakunywa maji. Umesikia? Kamuya. Let me add some more food because these are the maize, the corns, as seen. We have another one here. And another one there. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please give this video a like, share, and also leave a sweet comment down below. So thank you so much guys, and may the Lord bless you. Bye. Say bye.